A very good morning, class. We have completed rational numbers. Today, we are going to start with exponents. So before that, and this is a familiar topic which you have covered in class 7. So let's not by wasting any time, can anyone tell me what is an exponential form? How to write an exponential number?
Ma'am, in the form AN.
AN. So how we write it? So A, we read it somewhere in the way. So what?
Ma'am,
we
A raised to the power of N.
Yes, it is A raised to the power of N. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does this A is? A is the base, right? And N is the power, or the other name is what?
Exponent.
Exponent. Good. Now, one more thing. So this A means what? We are multiplying A how many times? N times. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, okay. What will happen if I have to divide this A? This A to the power N is divided by A, and the N is positive. When N is positive, what will happen? Divided by A, then what is happening? That we are just subtracting the power by 1. What is the result? We subtract the power by 1. Yes or no? Let's see an example. If 2 to the power 5 is given, let's take a positive. N can be positive, negative, both. N can be any integer, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am writing 2 to the
Yes, ma'am.
power 5 divided by 2. Then what should be the change in the power?
Ma'am, 2 raised to the power 4.
Yes, that means what? 2 to the power 5 minus 1 is happening, and the answer is 2 to the power 4. Okay. Now, if this power changes to negative, then what will be the change? If the integer is now negative, then what is happening? See.
Ma'am, the base will reciprocate.
No, I am talking what is the change. I am not talking about the base. I am checking about what is the change, division. And we are dividing it with the same number. I am not asking it to. So it will be what? 2 to the power minus 5 divided is minus sign, minus 1. See, n minus 1 form will be same. N minus 1 form will be same. N is minus 5, minus 1 is written. So the answer will be 2 to the power minus 6. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now, one more concept you should know before understanding the laws is the concept of multiplicative inverse. What is the concept of?
Multiplicative.
Concept of multiplicative inverse. Okay. So what is this said? See, if A to the power minus n is m is given, where m is a number, positive number, then when we inverse it, changes, it becomes a to the power m. Yes or no? We make the negative sign positive. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But a to the multiplicative of a to the power minus m is a to the power m. आंसर क्या होगा? a to the power m. मतलब अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट स्टूडेंट 4 to the power minus 5 अगर लिखा है तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? 4 to the power 5. क्यों? क्योंकि इस मेथड से चेंज, ये मेथड है और ये आंसर है, दोनों में डिफरेंस समझ में आया? This
Yes,
first one
ma'am.
is what? This first one is method of taking out multiplicative inverse, and the second one is the answer of multiplicative inverse. मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
second
Yes,
one is answer of multiplicative inverse. अच्छा, अब जल्दी से देखो, अगर 3/2 to the power minus 2 लिखा है तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? जल्दी बताओ.
मैम 3/2 raised to the power 2.
समझ में आया कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes,
कॉन्सेप्ट
ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इनवर्स
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर है, ये मेथड है, ये आंसर है. ओके, सो दिस मच इज क्लियर? एनी कंफ्यूजन? These were the small concepts which in which we get confused while solving a question. Okay, so let's start. अच्छा, we will be doing a comparing study. Comparing study कैसे? जैसे मैं आपको एक नॉर्मल इंटीजर का लॉ बताऊंगी, आप उसको रैशनल नंबर के फॉर्म में मुझे बताएंगे. मेरी बात समझ में? आई एम शोइंग यू द फर्स्ट वन. सी, इफ you know the addition law, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to how much? A to the power m plus n. You know m plus n.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? So can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
create this same formula in rational numbers for me? Rational form. सेम फॉर्मूला रैशनल फॉर्म में क्रिएट कर सकते हो. एक ही जगह में क्या यूज करना चाहिए कि हमें रैशनल के फॉर्म में मिल जाए?
मैम a upon q.
a upon q या p upon q? रैशनल नंबर किस फॉर्म में होता है? a upon q कि p upon q?
P upon q.
Ma'am, P upon Q.
p upon q. So what we will do? p upon q whole to the power m, right? Then multiplied by p upon q whole to the power n is equal to p upon q m plus n. Am I right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am, right.
Understood? Okay, let's do
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more. Okay, this was the first law. This was it not the first law?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the second law. Second law says a to the power minus m, which we have just now learned. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's try with p upon q. P upon q to the power minus m is equal to what will happen? What should I write here?
Ma'am, q upon p.
First in this form, na 1 upon, we have to use the law, then it will be p upon q. First we have to make it positive and it becomes how much? It becomes this, right or wrong? And when we reciprocate it, what happens? Q upon p is equal to the power m. Understood what is happening in this law?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or still confused? Multiplication done, inverse done. Now the next one is what? When we have understood the inverse, what we should do? We should try for division. a to the power m divided by a to the power n. What should be the result? Class?
A to the power m minus n.
A to the power m minus n. So now with for the case of rational numbers, p upon q to the power m, right? Right or wrong? Is
Yes,
it correct? Divided by p upon q to the power n, that is equal to how much? Who will tell?
P
What should I write here? Yes, please.
ma'am,
What
P
should I-
upon q to the power
P upon
ma'am,
q,
P upon to the
Q?
power m minus n.
Same is. Can you see the formula?
Yes.
Your law is same. Just in place of a, what we are using? P by
P
q.
by q.
Okay. Then next one is power of power. Yes. Next law is power of power or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So power of power. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. Yes or no? Gives
Yes,
us a to the power m multiplied by n. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
So for the case of what we say rational numbers, p by q to the power m whole to the power n. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should be the answer? What should be the answer?
Ma'am, P by q to the power m to n. Ma'am, mn.
mn, right? P by q to the power m n. This much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the bases are different and powers are same, till now the base was same, power was different. Now, if base is same, different and powers are same, means if you have to multiply a to the power m with b to the power m, what will be the change?
Ma'am, a into b to the power m.
Yes. A, B, sorry. A, B to the power, whole to the power m. Right? So for the case of P by Q, P by Q is one rational number, and let's take whose power is m, and let's take the other rational number as r by s. R by s to the power n. So what should be the answer?
Ma'am, m.
P multiplied by r, right? P
Yes, ma'am.
multiplied by r upon q multiplied by s whole to the power, yes, you can write it right, m. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the division one. Now the division one. Let's first write for normal division. A to the power m divided by b to the power m will give us a by b, a by b,
A by b to
A by B.
right?
Yes,
Right or
ma'am.
wrong? Now let's try for p by q to the power m divided by R by S whole to the power M. So what will be the change? This sign will reciprocate? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? P multiplied by S upon Q multiplied by R? Yes or no? Reciprocal?
Yes, ma'am.
And the power will become whole to the power M.
M.
We take the reciprocal in order to divide, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
In normal division, what we do? We take the reciprocal. So I've taken the reciprocal
Yes.
and multiplied it with the first one. Okay. Now one thing is very familiar to you. Let's see what you tell me. If I'm writing a to the power 0, what should be the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1.
1. Similarly, if I write p by q to the power 0, what should be my
Ma'am,
answer?
1.
1. So any
Ma'am,
condition,
1.
1. So any condition, any power to the 0, any number having a power 0, the answer will always be 1. Be it a negative, be it a positive, be it a rational number. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, now one more thing. Let's see one condition what you answer for that. Suppose a is equal to 1. Okay. So what should be a to the power n equal to?
Ma'am, 0.
Again, see, if a is equal to 1, what should be a to the power n equal to?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Because as many times we multiply 1, we get 1 only, na? Yes or no? 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 n times. What we will get?
Ma'am,
1.
1.
Okay. But if a is equal to -1, then a to the power n will totally depend on the value of n. What it will depend on? Answer will depend totally on the value of n. If it is even, then we will get a positive, and if n is equal to odd, then we will get a what? Negative. This you have learned in previous class. This you have learned in previous class or not? Property of 1 for multiplication. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that property came from this law. That property came from which law? This law. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think so. Please go through your book, page number 22. Any formula which we have not discussed, we will be discussing. Just go through for a second in your book. Any formula which I have missed to discuss, or any formula you want me to explain it again, please tell me.
No, ma'am.
No? So let's do a drill and you will be answering me the answers. Okay. Let's see how much calculative power you have. 2 to the power minus, close your books first. Closed?
Yes, ma'am.
Closed?
Yes, ma'am.
I will be giving you numbers and you will be telling me the answer. Okay? 2 to the power minus 8. How much? 2 to the power, okay, let's don't take 8, take it 4. 2 to the power minus 4. Answer should be how much?
I'm 16.
Ma'am, 1 upon 16.
1 upon 16. 1 upon 16. How? Because 2 to the power minus 4, a negative sign has to be first converted into a positive. You have done this thing. So it will be 1 upon 2 by 2 to the power 4, and then 2 to the power 4 is 16. Understood? Should I show you how? Okay. See, just now I told you what is the value of 2 to the power minus 4. So that is what? 2 to the power minus 4. We cannot convert a negative number. So first what we will do? We will find out its inverse. So that is 2 to the power 4. Right? And 2 to the power 4 is 1 upon 16 in fraction forms. And in decimal it will be 0.0625 in decimals. Am I clear? Sometimes the answers in your book are given in decimals, so I am showing you the decimal also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sometimes in this form also the answer is given in your book, so that's why I am giving you this answer also. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's take another number. Let's take another number. Okay. Just thought of a random number. 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 divided by basically 3 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 6. Done? So can you tell me what should be the answer? This is easy. This type we have done. See, first of all we will be solving the bracket. So, see, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Yes or no? So, m minus n is what? 5 minus 6 whole to the power 5. Yes or no? Yes? Can you listen or see?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens? 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 5 into 3 to the power 6 and minus 1 now power of power, so that gave us how much? 3 to the power minus 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 6. Yes or no? Now the powers will
Yes.
get it added. So how much? Minus 5 plus 6 is 3. Answer is 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, like this, you can solve many questions. Okay? So today I am not giving you any homework. Your just simple homework is to go through all the previous exercises. You have to complete your rational numbers completely because tomorrow is Sunday. You can complete. I am giving you one more day time to complete your work in rational numbers, and you will be going through your previous year books and going through all the rules and methods and techniques of calculation which you have learned in exponents in previous class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay,
thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.